Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. In the heat of the summer, we want to keep hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is very good, but it gets boring. So, the next best thing is a smoothie. I have many incredible recipes like cantaloupe, berry fusion, tropical sunshine, Polynesian, Caribbean, and others, including this delicious one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my watermelon strawberry smoothie. The combination is amazing. It's so refreshing and tasty. Like any other smoothie, it's super easy to make and a flavorful beverage for the summer. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In the jar of a blender, we'll add watermelon, seedless of course, and then strawberries, either fresh or frozen. We'll put the lid on and process until nicely blended. Now, because watermelon has a high water content, we don't need to add any extra liquid. Next, we'll add some vanilla yogurt, put the lid on, and process on medium-high speed. Depending on how sweet your fruits are, you might want to add a tablespoon of agave nectar. Of course, if we add anything, we'll have to process again. And my friends, this is our watermelon strawberry smoothie. How simple could it be, right? It's a flavorful and refreshing beverage to have this summer. The combination is so delicious and a nice way to enjoy these two incredible fruits. It's sure to become your go-to smoothie this season. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!